Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn what is the taskbar in Windows. So first of all, what is the taskbar in Windows? So a taskbar is usually a strip that is at one corner of the screen and it lets you see all your currently running programs, and it allows you to switch between your programs quickly, and it shows you other things like your network connectivity and your date and time, and it lets you search. So let's see how we are going to implement this video. So this is the steps we are going to follow to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are at my desktop and this is my taskbar. So it is showing the currently running apps I have, the currently pinned apps, the programs I have pinned in my taskbar. Then I have the type here to search for. Over here I can search for programs like the notepad. I can search for programs. This is the Windows start menu. I can access many things like the shutdown, the settings, the pictures and other things. And over here on the bottom right I have the date and time. I have some functionalities and the notifications, and I have the battery charge as I am on a laptop, and I have other hidden icons. This is the place where you go to see the hidden icons. Show hidden icons. These are the hidden icons. So this is what a taskbar does, and this is what a taskbar looks like. So let's summarize. So in this video we covered the taskbar and its uses. Thank you for watching.